Click on Create an Account to be taken to the registration form. Here you will be asked some simple information to create your account. Start with your email address. This will need to be an academic address, either a .ac.uk or a .edu email address. For now I'll just type an example at ed.ac.uk, which is the University of Edinburgh. Choose a password. It will tell you how weak or strong that is. Try and go a little bit stronger than I have here. Choose your username. This is the username that will be used on app mentions and will be shown on your profile across all social. So choose this wisely. It cannot be changed afterwards. Enter your first and last name. Again, this will be shown across your profiles on social, but this can be changed after the fact, so don't worry about that just now. Please select your role within the SGSSS community. If you are funded through ourselves, please choose ESRC funded student. If you are a current student, PhD student, and then if you're a supervisor, an academic, or a training facilitator, please choose one of these roles. And lastly, choose your institution. If you're not listed here at the bottom, there is other not listed. We have listed all of the institutions in Scotland that we partner with. I am going to choose University of Edinburgh. Quick notice here to read our terms of service. This will explain to you what we do with this information, and make sure that you agree with our privacy policy before hitting create an account. Once you've done that, you will receive an email into your inbox which will ask you to confirm your email address, and once you've done that, your account will be open and accessible.